Alright, so I guess we just go ahead and try to get him in the box now. I mean, in the beehive. So, be ready to be entertained. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna bee brush though. There's a lot of bees in this box. Right in here. Alright, we're just gonna dump them in. I ain't got time for this. She's on there, they'll follow her. I wish I could show you this. Well, there goes a pile more. Holy shit. Alright, have a look. Fucking most productive I've ever seen it. They're a little stirred up. And the boxes come apart. So there's like a bunch of places for her to be. Jesus Christ. Well, we're gonna find out. Now we got bees everywhere. I think she got out. Yeah, she definitely got out. Because they're flying too crazy. Oh well. We'll see. Put on this partially or something. Maybe not. There's a lot of bees flying. They're on the tripod too. Yeah, they don't like the tripods black. They go for dark colors, like predators. Well, now we gotta let them calm down, see if she's in there. Now I've got them trying to sting me in the face. I have my veil on though, but one did get in earlier. So, I don't know. Either she's there or she's still in the bottom of the box. I think she's in there though, because they are congregating now to the box. This will be a flipping miracle. What's that? In between is a queen, what you call excluder, so I'm trying to keep her in there. got the 2 boxes so they can use both. These bees are gonna be tired. She's in there, I think, because they are congregating all around. What the fuck is that sound? Hey! You see that? She's in there. From the videos I've seen, she's probably in there, and I am getting a little shaky. I don't know if it's from the bee sting or adrenaline or whatever. It is pretty cool though, you gotta admit. Oh, Holden's calling. I'm gonna call you back. So you'll know I got him in the box. I think I have him in the box. Now I'm gonna give him some rest. I guess I can't turn off the video without my god dang stylus. My gloves don't work with video, with the phone. Shit. Somewhere near my pen and his Velcro's stuck. Alright guys, learning, we'll see. This is the way to do it, I guess. I don't know. I think she's in there. See how they're all fanning and trying to get all the other bees to come back here? So I think she's in there somewhere. Hopefully they'll go inside and I'll put that lid on. I'll smoke them. See, these guys are fanning the entrance. That's a good sign too. Alden and I saw that last time the swarm came on the swarm box. They did that. Oh, we'll find out either she's gonna fly off and whatever. I never did see her. Next time I'm gonna mark her so I can find her. Alright, well, till next time. I'll let you know how it goes. Yeah, I'll update you when they get in there. It should be about an hour.